Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create shipping rates on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to the bottom left, click on Settings. And then here, let's go ahead over to the left panel, click on Shipping and Delivery. There you go. After once done, you can go ahead and use the store default profile, or you can go ahead and add in a custom profile. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add a custom profile so that you'll be able to see how we set it up. Okay, for example, the profile name, should it be fragile products or whatever? Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and add in fragile products, okay, such as glass or whatever is breakable. Okay, add in some products. Let's say I'm just going to add in my computer right here, hit on done. Scroll down, and let's go ahead and add in the zone. You need to add in a zone first. For example, you wanted to add in some more, for example, America or Australia, Europe. You can just go ahead and add it in right here. But I already have one. So I'm just going to go ahead and select. I don't know if I can select the, I know. So I'm going to go ahead and name it Asia and then America, maybe. Add in some more country and a new page will load. So let's go ahead and create United States market right here. And then leave everything as is. Click on save. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, let's go ahead and go back to shipping and delivery. When we go ahead and add in a zone, United States should now be available. Also North America. So let's go ahead and add them. Asia, America. Done. Products, fragile. Add in the product right here. These ones. Now scroll down, add a shipping option, okay? Do not forget to click on this if you want to add in some shipping rates. So do not forget to click on save, by the way, at the very top. And then as you can see here, profile fragile product created. So just wait for this pop-up to load. If it doesn't load, again, just click on the profile. We have here this one, fragile products. So let's click on it. Scroll down, add shipping option. And then just wait for it to load. As you can see here, we can now go ahead and add in shipping rates. So for example, we have here standard shipping. Is it flat or carrier app calculated or order amount or via weight? Okay, so for example, flat, you would go ahead and offer what? Free for standard shipping. Okay, and it will be delivered 5 to 8 business days or custom, maybe 10 days or 14 days. It's up to you. Offer free shipping, minimum order amount, maybe just 10,000. Okay. And then once that's done, just click on the done button. And once done, add in some more shipping options. For example, express. The price right here would be 1,000, just for example. Okay. And it will be delivered 1 to 2 business days. Click on done. And here we now have multiple shipping rates. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to create shipping rates on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.